It's not lumpy. Oh my god.
There's no point in holding your breath now. Just relax.
Yeah, back up a little bit. No, it should be more here.
Right, I know.
Pinch.
It's a hard pinch.
It's worth it, Phoebe. Come on, just get it done.
Okay, I'm
It's
ready.
okay. You can do it. Here, look at me. You guys look at me. 1, 2. There you go. It's in.
That wasn't hard.
Just feels a little bit of heat. Oh, they're so pretty. Let her see the hair.
So pretty.
They're so pretty.
Of course they are. It's September.
They're beautiful.
She's squeezing.
I have to get the red low.
Of course they're red.
Let her see. Let her,
Henry,
let
will you
her
move
see.
out of the way?
I can't focus on them. Thank you.
Look great.
Oh, you can take her.
Oh yeah.